Hello, Clive Reid here from Keary's Hyundai Middleton. I'm absolutely delighted to welcome you to our dealership and to be able to introduce the Hyundai i40. The Hyundai i40 comes in 3 trim levels and is available in a saloon or tourer option, and like all Hyundai vehicles has the highest level of specification. It also has the highest level of comfort and safety. The i40 can be yours from €290 per month on our PCP finance program, which our business manager will be happy to arrange for you. And like all new Hyundai cars, it comes with a 5-year unlimited mileage manufacturer's warranty. Also, for a limited time, we can offer you 5 years of free servicing. We'll be delighted to welcome you into our dealership, so call in and take a test drive in the i40 today. Thank you from the Keary's team, and we look forward to seeing you soon.